gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Annual Day is an occasion that spreads joy and is a platform to showcase talent. Due to pandemic, everything was stuck and locked. So what? The spirit is still high. So GMAPS number 4 decided to conduct the annual function event online to kindle the spirit of togetherness and encourage the students to showcase their talent despite the difficult times. School have also taken a cue from recommendation in the National Education Policy that gives emphasis on the holistic development of child. For this pre-recorded event, we have also taken care of all the safety measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 like wearing masks, temperature screening, using sanitization, etc. So sit back and enjoy this pre-recorded.
Before we begin, we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Seeking the choicest blessings for the same, I invite our guest of honor, Mrs. Aparna Bhattacharya, Executive Director, GFAPS number 4, Mrs. Shavinder Kaur, Principal, GFAPS number 4, and our honorable guests, Mrs. Ritika Ashra and Mrs. Roop Chopra, to kindle the lamp of knowledge and wisdom.
Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampadah. Shatru buddhi vinashaya deepajyotir namostute. Deepajyotir namostute. Deepajyotir parabrahma. Deepajyotir janardanah. Deepajyotir parabrahma. Deepajyotir janardanah. Deepo hartu me papam. Sandhya deepa namostute. O deepa brahma rupasvam. Jyotisham prabhuravyayah. O deepa brahma rupasvam. Jyotisham prabhuravyayah. Arogyam dehi putrausha. Matim swachham hi me sada. Raverastam samarabhya. Yavat suryodayo bhavet. Raverastam samarabhya. Yavat suryodayo bhavet. Yasya tishte gruhe deepa. Tasya nasti daridrata. Shubham kurutvam kalyanam arogyam dhanasampada.
A very good morning everyone. I'm Tharsi Sadia, head boy along with Pragya Mathur, head girl of Columbus Army Primary School number 4. Welcome you all to our pre-recorded annual day celebration. We have proudly named it Renaissance, the era of new beginning. Just imagine. We have put in a lot of efforts. Hope you will like it. Thank you.
ओम सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्या आरंभ करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. I, Neha Rathi, along with the team of grade UKG, presents our Saraswati Vandana in front of you. So have a look.
हे शारदे मां, हे शारदे मां, अज्ञानता
performance. I, Rudras Nair, along with my team, hope that a prayer would reach to Goddess Saraswati. Thank you for watching.
Dance enhances skills of observation and concentration in students, which help them in all of their work. Through dance, students learn teamwork and focus. It awakens new perception in children, which help them to learn in new ways. So I, Manit Korpuri, along with my team, present before you all a welcome dance. What do you think, Pragya?
Absolutely, ma'am. So get ready for all the delight and excitement. Please welcome myself and my friends on the floor with a huge round of applause.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita? सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या?
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है señorita. ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है señorita. मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या señorita? सुनो सुनो señorita कहते हैं हम क्या? जो भी पल बीता हे señorita, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम
Wow, what a mesmerizing performance by our tiny mittens on the floor. Thank you, students.
Now I request Mrs. Ritika Ashra to kindly say a few words, ma'am.
Respected principal, teachers, staff, my dear students and their parents. It is my honor and pleasure to have the opportunity of congratulating you all for participating in this annual day function. Each and every one of you have played your role very well. My sincere appreciation to all the students and teachers, and most importantly the parents who have gone extra mile to make this event a grand success. In spite of the constraint due to pandemic, I feel happy to be part of this event which I have thoroughly enjoyed. Once again, I convey my best wishes to all the children for their bright and successful future. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable thoughts with us.
एक जश्न है फिल्म को देखने के लिए आपको कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जाना है, तो फिर क्या करना है? बस अपने मोबाइल स्क्रीन या कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पर बने रहिए गरम गरम पकौड़ा और चाय के साथ हमारे प्रोग्राम को मजा लीजिए.
So coming up next is the inspirational song by teachers of GFAPS number 4.
What a better way to begin today's function with our talented teachers conveying the message how the sudden change in today's education field helped to boost the spirit from normal classes to virtual classes. I, Rekha Srivastav, present before you the ever-ready team of pandemic period with such a lovely song, Vishwas Hai, Vishwas Hai.
विश्वास है हमको हम पर विश्वास है
patriotic song sung by our teacher. Thank you, teacher, for this lovely and personal song. Thank you.
Children are like flowers. Water them with love. Nourish them with praise. Give them compliments each and every day. Keeping this in mind, I, Rekha Pandey, along with my team of floral beauties, presenting to you all the dance of fragrance, the flower dance.
I hope you all enjoyed our beloved day.
It is customary to give school annual report every year. For the same, I would like to now request Mrs. Shavinder Kaur, Principal, GF APS number 4, to present the 2020 school annual report.
It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Brigadier Shivendra Kumar, Patron, Guest of Honor, Mrs. Aparna Bhattacharya, Executive Director, Kal Vijay Ashra, Chairman, Mrs. Vijay Ashra, Lieutenant Colonel D.K. Singh, OIC, Mrs. D.K. Singh, our proud parents, and my lovely tiny tots, to this pre-recorded annual day 2021, which we have proudly named as Renaissance, the era of new beginning, Jashn-e-Mehfil. Your esteemed presence gives me great satisfaction, joy and happiness. I take this opportunity to apprise you about the school. Golden Fish Army Primary School number 4 was started in the year 2001. In these years of its glorious existence, the institution has come a long way with dedicated focus on quality education. Annual Day is an important function in the calendar of the school. On this day, the principal presents the school report highlighting various activities and achievements of the school. However, this year it was different, but we didn't stop any of our functions and we wanted to celebrate with this same Josh and Jazba. We at Golden Fish number 4 feel the education is not all about books and classroom. However, it is an experiential learning. Golden Fish number 4 is a great learning center and best educators who provide a nurturing, loving, motivating environment so that children is given equal opportunity to thrive and explore. This year, we did it in a different manner. A learning system on formalized teaching, but with the help of electronic resources known as e-learning. And we took this challenge through this new normal method of teaching and learning experience due to the sudden outbreak of the pandemic COVID-19. We are glad our kids are exhibiting great learning outcomes. The 2020 session started with online classes for which the teachers didn't leave any stone unturned and led e-learning classes for our students. This included many things, and the innovative teaching included brainstorming classes, creative theme-based crafts, recreational games, sinking, floating, and many such wonderful and mind-boggling learning activities. We introduced many new skills, new concepts apart from the routine classwork to make the e-learning more interesting, like life skills, yoga, craft, dance, music, which included many creative work environment. Many virtual competitions and activities are being conducted with the help of teachers, parents, and my lovely Tiny Talks. We also had beautiful celebration which included many competitions where the parents enthusiastically played and participated with our children. I'm sure everybody had great learning and excitement during all this thing. We also had webinars conducted by the principal for the parents to help them and understand a couple of very important issues like parenting during pandemic, anger management for kids, screen safety guidelines for parents, remote blended learning in early years. We are also proud to say that our books, our curriculum, our report cards are maintained the way it was done in the offline classes. These activities and events are planned to cover all the domains to impart learning and for the holistic development of our children. Each activity promotes development in each domain. Social and emotional skills, listening skills, sensory skills, cognitive and imaginative skills, physical and gross motor skills, gross and finer motor skills, language and communication skills. The many videos with lots of effort to make the children understand each and every concept. I sincerely express my thanks and heartfelt gratitude to all our students, parents, well-wishers, the patron of our school, executive director, chairman, and OIC, without whose help we would have not been able to maintain high standard of education and discipline even if it was online. We take this opportunity to commit ourselves to do our best to serve our kids through quality education. We seek the blessings from the Almighty to help and guide us in the future in the right direction. And let me assure you with conviction, out here in Golden Fish, each child and parent counts. At last, I would like to end this note by a renowned educationist, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and which aptly summarizes the essence of our vision. If child can't learn the way we teach, we must teach the way child learn. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Let's move on to our next program, that is Twist and Turns.
जसकरण, ये आप क्या कर रहे हो बेटा?
अरे मैं योगा कर रहा हूँ। आपको नहीं पता क्या हमारे स्कूल में योगा भी सिखाते हैं?
अरे मुझे तो नहीं पता था।
तो चलो मैं दिखाता हूँ।
Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, by the self. It is said that if every 8-year-old is taught meditation, we can eliminate violence within one generation. With this thought in mind, I, Manmeet Kaur Puri, present before you all our junior yoga gurus for performing various yoga asanas. So here they are.
Surya Namaskar. It is a great warm-up for kids as it stretches the entire body and helps move every joint and major muscle group present. Camel pose or Ustasana. Camel pose helps strengthen kids' back muscles. Tree pose or Vrikshasana. Tree pose is a fantastic way for your child to develop their balance skill. King Cobra or Bhujangasana. King Cobra pose opens the front side of the body, chest and throat, and also expands the breath. Chair pose or Utkat Asana. Chair pose improves balance while strengthening ankle, legs and core. Butterfly pose or Titli Asana. Butterfly pose improves sitting balance and posture. Bridge pose or Setu Bandh Asana. It is a calming pose for kids which helps reduce the stress and stretches the chest, neck and back.
Thank you, friends, for this lovely performance.
Thank you, students. Thank you, Prashant, for your kind words.
As we all know, it's a pandemic period. We all are suffering in it, especially our tiny tots who are locked in their homes. They are away from their friends, school, teachers, and their exciting memories.
But when they heard the news of reopening the school, hear what they imagined about going back to school.
I, Neha Rathi.
I, Rashmi Singh.
I, Preeti Singh, along with our talented kid wings, presenting in front of you a hilarious Hindi skit.
स्कूल के रंग अनलॉक के संग. We hope that you like it.
सुनते ही स्कूल खुलने की बात झूम उठे हम बच्चे आज. सुनाते हैं हम अपनी कहानी, बच्चे अपनी जुबानी. आज से बहुत दिनों बाद अपने दोस्तों से मिलकर बहुत ही मजा आएगा. है मेरे पास मेरे बैग में. अरे कहाँ चले जा रहे होते? हाँ सेंटर तो गलो. अरे भाई जल्दी करो, मैं तो बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ अपने दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए. अरे यार क्या हाल चाल है? हाथ तो मिला, गले तो लग. नो 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 शेक हैंड, नो गले मिलना, मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. अरे यार कुछ नहीं होता, इतने दिन बाद तो मिले हैं. ओए उधर देख. कहाँ कहाँ? गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. चलो सब बच्चे दूर दूर बैठो. मेंटेन सोशल डिस्टेंस. काइंडली मार्क योर अटेंडेंस एवरीवन. चलो सब बच्चे अटेंडेंस दो. नील
प्रेजेंट मैम.
ये देखो. मुकेश
प्रेजेंट मैम.
आकाश
प्रेजेंट मैम.
नितिल
प्रेजेंट मैम.
इसमें तो अटेंडेंस 25 की दिखा रखी है और आए भी नहीं है 10 बच्चे. ये सब किसने किया? आना तुमने किया? बाहर जाके खड़े हो जाओ. गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. मैं बड़ी निकल कर. ये तो थी बनाना मैम. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. जल्दी जल्दी अपना होमवर्क लिखा लो. मुझे तो लगा था कि डिजिटल इंडिया हो गया है. अच्छा गर्ल्स, तुम घर पे पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे थे, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे थे. अच्छा कर तो रहे थे ऑनलाइन, हमें क्या पता था स्कूल खुल जाएंगे. अच्छा तुम ज्यादा बातें मत करो, अपनी मैथ की बुक निकालो. मैम मेरे पापा कल बुक बाजार से लाए तो मैंने घर के बाहर सैनिटाइज करके रख दी. अब तो 2 दिन बाद ही आएगी बुक. अच्छा वाला सोचा है. बट किड्स, पता है ना तुम्हें कि कोरोना वायरस चल रहा है, कोविड का चल रहा है, इसलिए दूर दूर बैठो. मैम ये दोस्त है मेरा, आप ना मिलने दे रही है ना बात करने दे रही है, तो स्कूल आने का फायदा क्या हुआ? किड्स आपकी बातों में तो टाइम ही निकल गया, पता ही नहीं चला. बाय किड्स. चलो लाइन में लगो. कोविड का चल रहा है ना, इसलिए दूर दूर लाइन लगो. सबको अपने घर जाना है ना. मैम घर नहीं जाना प्लीज. घर नहीं जाना, नहीं जाना, बस नहीं जाना. मैम क्या पता मोदी जी ने फिर से लॉकडाउन कर दिया तो हम सब फिर से घर की 4 दीवारियों में बंद हो जाएंगे. आप स्कूल के रंग अल्लाह के संग. We hope that you like it. Enjoy it.
देखो कोरोना ने कोहराम है मचाया, मास्क ने हर चेहरा है ढकाया. कोरोना से जो बचना है, मास्क को हर वक्त पहने रखना है। तो चलिए आप सभी को ले चलते हैं हम अपने नन्हे मुन्नों के मास्क डांस की ओर। हिमा अरोड़ा along with my little champs presenting here Wearing is Caring, the mask dance.
Let's do the namaste and beat this corona shit. Yeah. बात मेरी सारे लोग ध्यान से सुनना, मम्मी पापा दादा दादी मुन्नी या मुन्ना, हमारी ईगो कुछ ज्यादा उठी हुई है, नेचर भी इसीलिए रूठी हुई है। डोंट वरी सब हो जाएगा ठीक, स्ट्रॉन्ग बनो डोंट बी वीक। जमीर हम लोगों का मैला हुआ है, इसीलिए वायरस ये फैला हुआ है। सब स्टॉप हो गया, सेंसेक्स ड्रॉप हो गया, मत करो तो कितना पैनिक, डूब जाएगी फिर टाइटैनिक। ट्रैवलिंग को रोक दो, इस वायरस को ठोक दो, जोक नहीं सीरियस है, ये मैटर मिस्टीरियस है। डोंट गो आफ्टर बकरी का वो दाल सब्जी ज्यादा खाओ, भीड़ भाड़ में कम जाओ, ट्रिम हो जाओ, जिम जाओ। गले लगाना हाथ मिलाना सब छोड़ रही है, पब्लिक दुनिया भर की अब हाथ जोड़ रही है। हाथ जोड़ना बोले तो नमस्ते नमस्ते, तुम भी सब करो ना फिर खुल जाएंगे रास्ते। नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते। नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो करो तुम नमस्ते नमस्ते नमस्ते, हाथ जोड़ो जोड़ो
Now I request Mrs. Swati Singh to kindly share few valuable thoughts with us.
Dear parents, principal, teaching staff, and my dear lovely children, I am Swati Singh, wife of Lieutenant Colonel D.K. Singh, who happens to be OIC of GF APS 4 School. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि इस पैंडेमिक में हमारे काम और काम करने के तरीकों में बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया है और सबसे बड़ा बदलाव आया है हमारे बच्चों की शिक्षा प्राप्त करने के तरीके में। पिछले कई महीनों से हमारे बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के थ्रू अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं और मेरा मानना है कि अगर ये पॉसिबल हो पाया है तो हमारे टीचर्स और उनके हार्ड वर्क की वजह से। एंड as we know, it's very risky to organize any kind of event in this pandemic. So keeping that in mind, जो हमारे टीचिंग स्टाफ और स्कूल कमिटी ने ये फैसला लिया है ये प्री रिकॉर्डेड एनुअल डे फंक्शन करने का, मैं उसका स्वागत करती हूँ और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि इसे करने में आप सबको बहुत मजा आएगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words.
Oh wow! मुझे तो प्रबंध देखने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है। क्या आपको भी आ रहा है? चलो देखते हैं।
We live in a fantasy world, a world of illusion. The great task in life is to find reality. We can get lost in the magic of make-believe and fantasy, no matter what age we are. So I, Maninder Kaur, along with my team, takes you to the world of illusion that is Alice in Wonderland. Once upon a time, there was a daydreamer girl named Alice. One day, her sister was reading a book with no picture. Suddenly, Alice came and said to her sister,
Hey sis, I'm getting bored. Let's play.
Wait Alice, can't you see I'm reading a book?
Okay. Oh dear, time is out. I will be late.
Suddenly, Alice saw a rabbit in a waistcoat.
Very still. I will be late. Very still. I have to catch it. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Hey, stop. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Stop. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Stop. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. Please somebody help me. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. 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 Stop. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Stop. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Stop. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Please somebody help me. I am falling down. Oh my God, so dark. How will I leave this place? This door is very small.
Yes, little girl, the doors are very small. So what do you have to do? Just look at the table. What is kept on that?
Bring this. Let me bring this. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. I want to be in my size.
Suddenly, a cat appears in the wonderland and asked Alice,
Why are you crying, little girl? I'm getting better. I'm thinking again down again. Original size, don't worry, take this. This is a burgundy cake. Make the man happen. But I don't like mad people. In this wonderland, everyone. Okay then, I will visit the Manhattan. No room for you. I said no room for you. Excuse me, I want to take it off Queen Palace and exchange outfits. Of course, little girl. Take this ticket to a Queen Palace.
Now Alice moved towards the Queen Palace. Now let's see what happened next with the Alice in the palace.
Wow! What a beautiful palace!
Alice was amazed to see such a beautiful palace. Suddenly, a queen appears in the palace.
Who is she? Nobody knows. What's her name, child? My name is Alice, Your Majesty. I'm looking for a partner to play a card with me.
Suddenly, Alice saw a beautiful queen crown.
Light is the source of positivity and vision. I, Neha Rathi, along with the battalion of my kids, presents Rhythmic Diya dance in front of you. We hope that you like it.
cabeza y empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. El mundo nos quiere, me quiere a mí. Toda mi gente se mueve, mira el ritmo como los tiene. Hago música que entretiene. Mi música los tiene fuerte bailando y se baila así.
Estamos rompiendo la discoteca, la fiesta no para, apenas comienza. C'est comme si, c'est comme ça, ma chérie. La 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 la. Francia, Colombia, me gusta. Freeze. Y Balvin, Willy William, me gusta. Freeze. Los DJ no mienten, le gusta mi gente y eso se fue mundial. No le bajamos, mas nunca paramos, es otro palo y blanco.
¿Y dónde está mi gente? Me fue a bouger la tête. ¿Y dónde está mi gente? C'est yeah, yeah, yeah. 1, 2, 3, Lego.
So here is the team of Rhythmic Lights.
Good morning, everyone. What a wonderful rhythmic performance by the students of LKG I Livingston along with my team. Thank you all for watching a dance. Thank you.
It's an incredible work experience to work under a person whose skills and talents are notable. Your guidance and advice have been invaluable to us. We are so proud to be led forward by a person who is not only an amazing executive director but also a great personality. So I request our executive director Mrs. Aparna Bhattacharya to kindly say a few golden words.
Good evening, everyone. On this auspicious occasion of the annual function of Golden Bridge Primary School, I congratulate the principal, Mrs. Shavinder Kaur, and all her hardworking teachers and the wonderful staff. They have overcome the corona with a lot of zest. And now, as you can see, that we are having the annual day celebrations also online, so that the teachers, the staff, the children and the parents, they all feel that the school is functioning in the same way, but we have to follow certain protocols, so we have to do everything online. I must congratulate the parents and the children. They also have contributed in their own special way, and that is why our school is doing a wonderful job, and you can understand in that the children are also happy and the parents are also happy. So once again, I congratulate you all, and please keep on supporting our school, our teachers and the principal, and congratulating you once and all. God bless you. Jai Hind.
Thank you for your golden words, ma'am.
Moving on with our program, next in line is Ramp Walk, two generations walking together.
We all dream to look like our mom.
In today's program, our little one's dream comes true when they walk together on the floor twinning with mom. So, I Preet Kaur presents before you our dazzling fashion show, Twinning with Mom.
Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Ay, dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Ay, Macarena tiene un novio que se llama de apellido Vitorino. En la jura de bandera del muchacho se la dio con dos amigos. Ay, Macarena tiene un novio que se llama de apellido Vitorino. En la jura de bandera del muchacho se la dio con dos amigos. Ay, dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Ay, dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Ay, Macarena, 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 que te gustan los veranos de Marbella. Macarena, 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 que te gusta la movida guerrillera. Ay. Ay. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Ay. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para dar la alegría y cosas buenas. Dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, Macarena. Ay, Macarena sueña con el Corte Inglés y se compra los modelos más modernos. Me gustaría vivir en Nueva York y ligar un novio nuevo. Ay, Macarena sueña con el Corte Inglés y se compra los modelos más modernos. Me gustaría vivir en Nueva York y ligar un novio nuevo. Ay, dale a tu cuerpo alegría, Macarena, que tu cuerpo es para darle.
Wow, what a mind-blowing performance. Give you a round of applause for our mom with their munchkin. Thank you, ma'am.
Unity in diversity is Indians' strength. There is simplicity in every Indian. There is unity in every corner of India. This is our strength. Let's watch our strength in the form of performances by our tiny tots. Mile sur mera tumhara.
Kashmiri, but I'm just like you. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrata. I'm from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I'm just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I'm just like Sher. I'm from Ajmer. My name is Shamsher. I'm from Ajmer. I speak Urdu, but I'm just like you. My name is Urdu. I speak Assamese, but I'm just like you. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. My name is Benjamin, I'm from Panjim. I speak Konkani, but I'm just like you. My name is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. Is Rani Mai, I'm from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I'm just like you.
My name is Jaswinder, I'm from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri, I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name Ji, I'm from Panchgani. My name is Jamshedji, I'm from Panchgani. I speak Parsi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Bindia, I'm from India. My name is Bindia, I'm from India. I speak Hindi and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. Just like you. And I'm just like you. Just like you. And I'm just like you.
विविधता में एकता ही भारत देश की पहचान है, इसलिए तो मेरा भारत सब देशों से महान है। आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉय द प्रोग्राम ऑफ मिले सुन मेरा तुम्हारा। अरे हम तो सोचते थे केवल हमारी में पढ़ा सकती है, हमें क्या पता था हमारी मैम इतना अच्छा नुक्कड़ नाटक कर रही है। आप सभी देखना चाहिए, चलो हम पेश करते हैं।
During this pandemic, when we all are locked and safe at home, there are some people who all are working for the sake of humanity. We GFAPS number 14 pour our heart's gratitude and we salute for your determination. India emerged victorious in the fight against COVID-19 because of your selfless toil and sacrifice. So the GFAPS number 14 present a salute to all our Corona warriors in the form of Nukkad Natak. So give a huge round of applause for the team.
वुहान शहर से वायरस आया।
मैं हूँ कोरोना, मैं बड़ा संस्कारी हूँ। मैं किसी के घर नहीं जाता, मगर जब कोई घर से बाहर आता और कोरोना से बचाव के उपाय नहीं अपनाता, मैं उसके साथ करता हूँ दोस्ती और उसके साथ उसके घर हूँ जाता। मैं हूँ कोरोना, तो मिलाओ हाथ से हाथ और बढ़ाओ कोरोना का साथ। मैं हूँ कोरोना।
आया सब देशों पर राज जमाया, हाहाकार मच गई, कैद हुआ इंसान का शोर। कुदरत ने क्या चक्र घुमाया, इंसान को घर में कैद बनाया। सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो 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 भाई सुनो सुनो। त्राही त्राही चारों ओर, ना दवाई ना
एक ने 100 की चेन बनाई, कोरोना ने रफ्तार बढ़ाई। तो क्या ये धरा शमशान बन जाएगी? तो क्या ये जिंदगी यूं ही थम जाएगी? सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो। आओ कोरोना वॉरियर से मिलवाए, इंसान के रूप में भगवान है आए। सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो। पापा, इतने दिन हो गए, आप कल रात घर आएंगे ना?
हाँ बेटा। बेटा, न्यूज में रोज हजारों डॉक्टरों के बारे में सुन के डर लगता है। तुम ठीक तो हो ना?
हाँ माँ, मैं ठीक हूँ।
कोरोना के इस युग में एक डर से लोग घबराते हैं
और हम डॉक्टर रोज मौत से हाथ मिलाकर आते हैं।
अस्पताल में कोरोना से लड़ते हुए लोग अपनों का साथ चाहते हैं,
ऐसे में हम डॉक्टर इनका परिवार बन जाते हैं। सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो।
जानकर हम आपको बचाएंगे, आपकी सेवा में हम अपनी जान लुटाएंगे। मैं कोई डॉक्टर या कोई एक्सपर्ट नहीं हूँ। जब भी आप हॉस्पिटल आते हैं तो उन संक्रमित लोगों से हम ही मिलते हैं और आपकी एक लापरवाही हमें मौत के करीब ले जाती है। वक्त हो गया है, मुझे और भी मरीजों को देखना है। सरकार के नियमों का पालन करें, घर पर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए।
सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो।
हम पुलिस वाले जो आपको खाकी वर्दी में नजर आते हैं, आपकी सुरक्षा हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। आपकी सुरक्षा की हमने कर ली पूरी तैयारी है। आपकी तरह हमारे भी घर में छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, तो घर में रहें, सुरक्षित रहें।
सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो। हम टीचर्स भी किसी वॉरियर से कम नहीं, हर सिचुएशन में ढल जाएंगे। चाहे जो भी हो सिचुएशन, उसको हैंडल कर जाएंगे। हम टीचर्स को भी रातों रात बदलना पड़ा। जिस कैमरे से डर लगता था, उसी में कैद होना पड़ा। हमने भी पीड़ा उठाया है, इस नेशन के फ्यूचर को 0 एकेडमिक ईयर से बचाया है। सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो।
आपको क्या लगा था भारत भूखा मर जाएगा? खेतों में किसान खड़ा है, चौराहे पर जाने की जिद मत करना, वर्दी पहने जवान खड़ा है।
सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो, बात हमारी सुनो सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई, सुनो सुनो।
ये कोरोना वॉरियर्स क्या मुझे मारेंगे? नहीं, मैं बहुत शक्तिशाली हूँ। मैं हूँ कोरोना। क्या कोरोना वॉरियर्स मुझे मारोगे?
अरे बड़े बड़े सिकंदरों ने घुटने टेक दिए इस देश के आगे। देख कोरोना तेरे आगे, हिंदुस्तान खड़ा है।
That was really an outstanding performance by our teachers of GFAPS number 4. So give a huge round of applause for all our talented teachers. Coming up next is the prize distribution ceremony.
मंजिल मिल ही जाती है एक दिन, ये कोई मुकद्दर के खेल नहीं होते। गर कोशिश ही ना करे इंसान तो कामयाबी से मेल नहीं होते। So in today's Jashn Mehfil, now it's a time to acknowledge the talent of our little champ on this virtual platform. So I request our Executive Director, Mrs. Aparna Bhattacharya, to bless our little tiny tots by presenting trophies to them. So first of all, I would like to call upon stage Miss Vanshika. So give a huge round of applause for our little princess. Thank you, Vanshika. Now I would like to call upon stage our all-rounder Alice, Miss Zoe Pandey. Thank you, Zoe.
Now I would like to call upon stage our chatterbox, none other than Chitransh.
Thank you, Chitransh.
Now I would like to call upon stage our talented student B. Prashant.
Thank you,
Give a huge round of applause for B. Prashant. Thank you, Prashant. Now I would like to call upon stage our smart boy, Loving Son.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Loving Son. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing the award ceremony.
Now I request Mrs. Ritika Ashra to kindly join us on stage and give away trophies to our little munchkins. For the same, I would like to call upon stage Miss Soumya. Thank you, Soumya. Next in line is a very notorious Master Jaskaran Singh Puri.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Jaskaran. Coming next is a little munchkin, Aradhya Tiwari. Thank you so much, Aradhya. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us your prize time. Next, I request Mrs. Roop Chopra to kindly join us on stage to give away trophies to our little tiny tots. To receive the trophy, we have Pragya Mathur, head girl of our school.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pragya. Next in line is a cutie pie, Miss Akriti Gupta.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Akriti. Coming next is a very talented student, Master Sankalp.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sankalp. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us on stage and encouraging our students.
It's an incredible work experience to work under a person whose skills and guidance are notable. Your words of encouragement, guidance kept us sane while chasing the deadlines. We just wanted to appreciate and express how glad we are. So, any guesses for which great personality I am talking about? Well, none other than our patron, Brigadier Shivendra Kumar. So, welcome with a huge round of applause.
Dear parents, staff, and my beautiful students of GAPS 4 School, it is indeed a privilege for me to speak to you today in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, wherein the medium of education has seen a paradigm change. You would all agree that nobody would have thought that education could have been imparted in the manner that it was done in these times. I am indeed indebted to the teachers of GAPS 4 School who so aptly adapted to the system of distant education through online medium, imparting the best possible education to the students of GAPS 4 School. I am also indebted to the parents who went through juggling times in this pandemic in ensuring that their own wards kept their interest in online education so that they could absorb whatever the teacher wanted to tell them. These trying times have been very difficult for both the parents, the teachers, as well as the students. But when I look back and I see the kind of education that the GAPS 4 school has imparted, I feel very proud. I feel that the teachers have excelled, so have the parents, and so have the wards of the GAPS 4 school. As you would all recall, that the school was established in 2001. Since then, you would all agree with me that the school has come a very, very long way in imparting the best possible education to the wards of the school. I feel that in spite of the COVID-19 pandemic hitting the school, and in India in particular, the staff, the parents and the teachers adapted themselves to the best possible solution of imparting the best possible medium of education to the children. On this annual day function, I would like to compliment the staff, the complete faculty, the parents and the students of GAPS 4 school in ensuring that the GAPS 4 school flag always flares very high in providing the best possible education to the children who form part of it. May God bless you all, keep safe, be healthy, and let us all take a resolve to defeat COVID-19 pandemic in the future times to come. God bless you all. Have a great day. Jai Hind.
We are touched beyond your words. All I can say is wow. Thank you for your golden words, sir.
Now I request Mrs. Preeti Singh to kindly present a vote of thanks.
On behalf of our principal ma'am, Mrs. Shavinder Kaur, I, Preeti Singh, would like to extend our sincere gratitude towards our patron, Brigadier Shiven Kumar, Executive Director, Mrs. Aparna Bhattacharya, for taking out time during this pandemic era and gracing the function virtually. I take this opportunity to thank our chairman, Colonel Vijay Ashram, and OIC School, Lieutenant Colonel D.K. Singh, who have been a great support not only for this event, but also in routine functioning of our virtual classes. I would like to thank our excellent team of teaching and non-teaching staff, music instructors and ADAM staff comprising of Subedar Rakesh Kumar, ex-Havaldar D.N. Reddy and Havaldar R.P.S. Yadav, not only for this event, but also for their dedication, hard work, sincerity and support throughout the year, even during this pandemic time. I also thank the parents for their tremendous support and cooperation. And last but not the least, I thank our sparkling students for all the efforts in putting up such a terrific show. Without our dear children, this event would have not been possible. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I request all of you to kindly stand in the glory of the nation as it's time for the national anthem.
खुशियों पर मौज की रवानी रहेगी, जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई कहानी रहेगी। हम यूं कार्यक्रम में 4 चांद लगाते रहेंगे, हम हर साल पूरे जोश से वार्षिकोत्सव मनाते रहेंगे।
With these beautiful lines, I now declare the end of Annual Day Celebration 2020, Jashn-e-Mehfil. Hope you all enjoyed today's event as much as we enjoyed preparing it for you all.
3 cheers for our tiny tots, wonderful parents, management, and of course our talented teachers. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Thank you so much, parents. See you all next year. Not online, but offline.